I wanted to show you how to use Skype as a dialer with KW Command. When you're inside an individual contact, all you need to do is click on the phone number, click on call, and then when it asks for the application, you can click Skype. So once I click on Skype, this will allow me to call directly through Skype, and I can change the phone number to make sure it displays my cell phone or another number that I desire. So when I'm done calling, it will show me that I can add my notes directly here. One thing that I like to do is click on cancel, and as I'm making the call and it's ringing and so forth, I can simply edit the person's contact information or whatever I need to edit by clicking the edit option up here. Then when I need to make their individual notes for the call, I can click on the phone number again and click on call and simply add the notes here. So I could say needs to sell in March of 2021. And then all I need to do is click on add to timeline, and you will see how that information is added directly to the person's timeline. So this is a quick video on how to use Skype as a dialer in Command.